Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about Margelsum coin, its price prediction 2025. That in this super cycle mega bull run of meme coin, this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin. And we see one mega coin price up to 50 or $100 here or not. Can we see its listing on Binance Coinbase or not? Videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. So friends, after US election, this meme coin was dumped here. Okay, barely dumped here, and its dump was around $6. Okay, before US election, meme coin was trading around $5 to $6. After that, crashed its price and trending on 1.5 or $1.4. But right now, in this month, January, this meme coin is again going upward. You can see last 7 days charts look good. Okay, you can see initial price was here $0.14. After that, almost is $3.5 here, so this is good. And right now $2.9, around $3 is price. Last 1 month performance amazing, 60% pump. Last 14 days 18% pump here, so this is good. $132 million market, this awesome. $6.7 million trading volume, 47 million coin supply, 45 in circulation, so this is awesome friends. Coin is on multiple chains just like BNB, BAS, and on Ethereum. Mansion was Ethereum. This is a Politify Donald Trump theme meme coin. We are at 3% down this all time high. It was $17 and 25,000% up this all time low. That was 1 year ago. CoinX, MEXC, BingX has listed. CoinW, DigiFinex has listed. Get.io has listed. Coin Apps, Coin PH has listed. And these are the some central exchanges where this meme coin is listed. So friends, already listed on many major central exchanges, but still there's no crypto.com, there's no Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Bybit. So lots of central exchange listing left for this meme coin. And because Donald Trump is coming on 20th January as new US president, so at that time this meme coin has maybe break a all-time high that is already $17 and can make a new all-time high in this month January. This meme coin can be highly risky, no doubt, and highly rewarded also, because right now we're at 3% down here. So high possibilities because Donald Trump is coming and this is Trump theme meme coin, high market cap Trump theme meme coin. So it's definitely possible that we can see its new all-time high. Okay, around 20th January, maybe we can see its price from just $3 to maybe hit almost $17 or maybe $20 here. 41,999 holders. Okay, so maybe today we can complete it for 2,000 holders also. Donald Trump is also holding this coin. I can see MAGA Trump token 2 has 33% of supply, and second wallet has 10% supply. Its circulation supply was 45 million coin, and total supply was I think 47 million coins. So it's 2 million coin supply is already burned. And I can see Donald Trump. Okay, Donald Trump himself holding this coin. Wall number 6 has 1.2% of MAGA supply, MAGA Trump supply, that is worth about $1.6 million. So Donald Trump has also hold these coins. This is good. Green Angel, different top crypto wallets are still holding this coin. So this is good. MAGA developer has 0.2% supply. So this is good, friends. So I think it's definitely possible that this Spotify meme coin can perform good. And because this month belongs to Donald Trump, and maybe MAGA coin is already pumped almost 150% in last 30 days. So it's also possible that we can see new all-time high around 20 January, or maybe this meme coin can perform good. And first, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that no doubt this is again highly risky because already at 3% down here, but it's possible that we can see MAGA price in next at 10 months in $1 billion here, and one MAGA can equal up to 30 to maybe $40 here. And I think we can see this market around maybe $3 to $6 billion in this mega run, or maybe more. It all depends upon trend. If we see a massive trend, massive hype in crypto market for Politify meme coin, then definitely MAGA Trump coin can perform amazing. And at that time when this meme coin will make hype, then definitely can list on major central exchanges just like Bybit, Crypto.com, Kucan, Kraken, and maybe it's possible that we can see its listing on Binance and Coinbase. What do you think about your price prediction about this meme coin? Think this meme coin has potential to be the next $6 billion market cap meme coin? Can we see Binance listing this year or not? You can must comment down below.